Welcome back to Spectrum Sphere, your portal to a diverse world of discovery. Today, we're diving into some clever life hacks that can make your daily routine easier. Before we get started, if you enjoy exploring new topics and uncovering practical tips, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly content. Let's jump right in. Life hacks are all about simplicity and efficiency. Little tricks that can save you time, money, and stress. Whether it's organizing your space or speeding up daily tasks, these simple solutions can have a big impact on your day-to-day life. Stick around as we explore 6 life hacks everyone should know. Moving on to hack number 1. Are tangled cables cluttering your desk? Grab a binder clip. Attach the clip to the edge of your desk and thread your cables through the metal loops. This not only keeps your cords neatly organized, but also ensures they're always within reach when you need them. Now, let's put hack number 1 into action. Take your binder clip and fasten it to the side of your desk like so. Next, we'll slip each cable through the silver arms of the clip. There you go. Your cables are now tidy and accessible. No more diving behind the desk for a rogue charger. By implementing hack number 1, you're not only keeping your workspace clutter-free, but also preventing cable damage from tangling and twisting. This simple trick ensures your cords are neatly organized and always within reach, saving you both time and the frustration of untangling messes later on. Moving on to hack number 2, let's tackle those pesky chip bags that never seem to stay closed. Forget searching for a clip. I'll show you a clever way to seal a bag using nothing but a simple fold technique. Keep your snacks fresh and your pantry mess-free with this easy hack. Now, watch closely as I demonstrate hack number 2, the no-clip chip bag seal. I'll fold the corners, roll down the open edge, and tuck the corners underneath. Just like that, the bag is sealed tight, keeping your chips crisp and fresh without any extra gadgets. With this hack, you'll not only keep your snacks fresh longer, but also save on buying bag clips. It's perfect for when you're on the go or if you want to reduce kitchen clutter. Plus, it's a great way to repurpose an empty bag once the snacks are finished. Moving on to hack number 3. If your shoes feel a bit tight, here's a clever trick. Fill a sealable bag with water, place it inside your shoe, and let it freeze. As the water solidifies, it'll expand, stretching out your shoe slightly for that perfect fit. Now, let's put hack number 3 into action. We're going to stretch out a pair of tight shoes. Simply fill a resealable bag halfway with water, place it snugly inside your shoe, and put them in the freezer overnight. The water will expand when it freezes, gently stretching the material for a better fit. The beauty of hack number 3 is not just expanded shoes, but also pain-free feet. No more blisters or discomfort from new or tight-fitting footwear. This simple trick can save you money and time, avoiding a trip to the shoe store or a professional shoe stretcher. Now, for hack number 4. Ever struggle to hang pictures? Save yourself a trip to the hardware store. Take a can tab, slide it over the screw on your picture frame for an instant DIY hanger. This little trick is perfect for lightweight art and adds a touch of ingenuity to your walls. Moving on to hack number 4, the can tab picture hanger. Grab a tab from any soda can and simply thread it onto a screw on the back of your frame. Ensure it's securely in place, and voila, you now have a stable hook that's ready to be mounted on the wall. And the beauty of this little hack? It's cost-effective and recycles materials you'd typically throw away. Not only do you save money on buying picture hangers, but this DIY solution provides a sturdy and invisible support for your wall art, making your space aesthetically pleasing. Moving on to hack number 5, the shaking method for peeling garlic. If you love cooking but dislike the sticky hassle of peeling garlic, this trick is for you. Simply place the cloves in a hard container, give it a vigorous shake, and voila, the peels come off effortlessly. Let's see it in action. Now for hack number 5, we're tackling garlic peeling. Hate getting that smell on your hands? Here's a quick fix. Place the cloves inside a metal bowl, cover with another, and shake vigorously for a few seconds. You'll be amazed how the peels separate. Watch closely as I demonstrate. Not only does this shaking method make peeling garlic a breeze, but it also saves you time and keeps your hands odor-free. Perfect for when you're cooking in a hurry and want to avoid that lingering garlic scent. Let's shake things up with our next ingenious life hack. Moving on to hack number 6. Ever fumble through a bunch of keys to find the right one? Let's add a splash of color to solve that. With a bit of nail polish, you can color code your keys to easily distinguish them. Watch how a simple paint job can bring convenience right to your key ring. And now for hack number 6. If you're tired of guessing which key is which on your keyring, here's a quick fix. Take different colored nail polish and apply it to the top of each key. This visual aid will help you grab the right key every time without any guesswork. Let's give it a try. With hack number 6, color coding your keys with nail polish not only personalizes your keychain, but also saves you precious seconds every day. No more frustrating fumbling at your front door. Just one glance and you'll instantly know which key slides into the lock. Simple, effective, and quite the time saver. And here's another quick tip for hack number 1. Besides cables, binder clips can also double as toothpaste squeezers. Just roll up the end of the tube and clamp it down with a clip. You'll get every last drop without any hassle, making this hack both economical and practical. Not just for snacks, the hack number 2 technique is surprisingly versatile. Use the same fold and roll method to keep your brown sugar fresh or your coffee grounds airtight. This simple fold can combat staleness across your pantry, ensuring your ingredients stay dry and fresh, ready for your next culinary adventure. And here's an extra tip for hack number 3. If your boots are too tight, this same freezing method can help them loosen up. Just fill a sealable bag with water, place it into the boots, and freeze. As the water expands, so will the leather, giving you that perfect fit. Taking hack number 4 further, you can also use the can tab for hanging items like scarves or belts in your closet. Just slip it over a hanger and you have an instant additional hook without taking up more space. It's simple, yet incredibly effective for organizing your wardrobe. And there's more to hack number 5 beyond just peeling garlic. Use the same shaking method to quickly remove the skin from small onions or even to help clean up broken glass. Just trap the shards between 2 bowls and shake gently. A real multitasker in the kitchen. Not just for keys, this nail polish trick can color code almost anything. Apply it to different salt and pepper shaker sets to remember which is which, or mark levels on a measuring cup for quick reference. It's a tiny change that makes a big difference in everyday tasks. Let's quickly go over what we've learned. First, we organized cables with binder clips. Next, we sealed chip bags without a clip. Then, we expanded our shoes using frozen water, hung pictures with can tabs, peeled garlic in a shake, and finally, used nail polish to identify keys. These simple hacks can make everyday tasks a breeze. Now that we've mastered these hacks, think about the time and money you'll save. No more rummaging for cables, buying bag clips, or struggling with shoes. Home organization and daily tasks just got easier and cheaper. By incorporating these tricks, you're not only simplifying life, but also being resourceful with what you have. Now, it's your turn. We love hearing from you, so drop your own favorite life hacks in the comments below. Sharing is caring. Your tips could help make someone else's life easier too. Let's build our community knowledge and help each other out with more ingenious solutions. And that wraps up our life hacks. We're eager to hear which ones you found most useful. And if you have any hacks of your own, please share them with us in the comments. We're all about community here at Spectrum Sphere, so let's keep the conversation going and those ideas flowing. Thank you for joining us today at Spectrum Sphere. We hope you've enjoyed these simple yet effective life hacks. Remember to hit the like button if you found them helpful and subscribe for more diverse discoveries every week. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.